And that's a wrap. Like, seriously. Have you ever rattled your Master Lotto 410? It's alright if you have, you can tell me. Look, I won't tell anybody. Seriously, your secret's safe with me. Really? You're gonna stick with that story? Whatever. No, in all seriousness, there really is nothing to be ashamed about if you've rattled your Master Lotto lock. The rattling part doesn't even happen during picking. It happens afterwards if you kind of lose track of the core and you turn it the wrong way. Why? Well, don't worry, because there is a way to fix it. Stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to tell you exactly what you're going to need to fix it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Hit that like button and let's get right into it. Going to be using top of key weight tension in 40 thousandths, and I'm going straight back to that 5th pin because it's the standardish pin. And once I set that, I fall into a false set. Now pin 1 and pin 2, and we're open. Oh yeah! Woo, 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 woo. Oh yeah! That's what's up.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh. Have no fear, people. You can easily fix this issue with a 3D printed lock body. The file is up on Thingiverse. All you really need to know is somebody with a 3D printer. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to fix this and get your lock back to functioning. Okay, let's get right to it. What you will need to fix your rattled Lotto lock is rattled lock, lock body, key, screwdriver, pinning tray, plug follower, core holder, tweezers, and something to smash the rattled lock body open. The quickest and most efficient way to actually crack this lock body open was to smack it with the hammer right here along this seam. And as you can see, I did it inside of this Ziploc baggie because as soon as this lock breaks open, all the pieces go flying everywhere, and you definitely don't want to lose anything. Yeah, there's lots of small pieces. You've got the ball bearings, the actuator piece, plus all these tiny little pins. If you're actually going to try to smack this open on your desk or something, just be careful that you put it in something. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and dump this out and try to organize it a little bit. So we don't need these pieces from the lock body, so I'm just going to put these aside. We definitely still need the shackle. We need the core. Okay, we need these ball bearings and the actuator piece. And of course, here are some of the pins, but the rest are still inside the lock. Pin 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, as you can see, I have lined up the pins. I've put the key into the plug and the plug into the plug holder here. And I'm going to go ahead and put the pins inside and hopefully, rearrange them according to the bidding of the key. All right, we are looking good. Now let's move on to loading up the core. Now I think this is the front where this little dot is, but you always want to make sure to identify the front before you go ahead and put it back together wrong. Don't forget to like. We've got to get this lock body apart. So let's get these screws out of here. You want to lay down your shackle. As you can see, there's a cutout for it. Then you're going to put your actuator piece in, and there's kind of like little cutouts on each side. That's where the ball bearings are going to rest. And you want this little piece here that is going to interact with the tail piece of the lock to be facing the lock. Now you're going to place the ball bearings inside. All right, and turn your actuator piece there to line up with the lock and place the lock inside. And again, be careful when handling this cylinder because you don't want to accidentally turn the key and have all the pins fall out again. We're going to go ahead and line up the screws here. There we go. And check your padlocks to make sure that they are working properly before you put the final screws in. And if you're satisfied that it's working properly, then tighten down the screws and we are done. We've got ourselves a brand new Master Lotto 410. It's like I didn't even break it in the first place. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you found it entertaining. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you don't want to part just yet and you'd like to see more lady locks, check out this next video right here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe.